Yahoo and NFL and all these brands are partnering to live stream the one of the football games, the upcoming football game on Sunday globally, which is really exciting because viewers all over the world will be able to watch the game for free. So it's not a subscription based, but they're kind of really missing out on the opportunities that it can lend for mobile advertising. They're kind of just recreating the television experience for phones and computers, and I don't really think that that's the way that they should go. Mobile opens up this huge possibilities of all these exciting different ways to innovate in mobile advertising, and it's definitely proven that consumers don't want their mobile experience interrupted anymore. It's hardly effective interrupting their experience on television because DVR has made it, so people don't want to interact with traditional ads. And there's just, you can, for the breaks in between, you can do a game, you can do incentives, you can do things that consumers want to be involved in instead of just a traditional TV spot.